Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to link an external bank account on Nav. If you don't have a Nav Prime account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for Profile and Settings. Under Profile and Settings, you will see different tabs. Click on the tab that says Bank Accounts. On this tab, scroll down to the bottom. Then click on the option that says Connect Bank Accounts. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Once entered, click on Continue. A code will be sent to the phone number you have provided. Once received, enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Next, select the external institution you wish to add. You could scroll through the options shown, or you could just search for the bank by clicking on the search bar. Click on the option you wish to choose. After that, you will be asked to log in on the bank account you chose. On the fields provided, enter your bank account username and password. Once the username and password is entered, click on Submit. Next, you will be asked to verify your identity. From the options provided, click on your preferred method for receiving the security code. Then click on Continue. Then, on the field provided, enter the verification code you have received. Then click on Submit. Next, select the account you wish to add by clicking on the checkbox beside the account. Then click on Continue. After that, review the types of financial data Nav is requesting. If everything looks good, click on Allow. Now you will see a screen about Plaid Passport. This feature lets you securely create a consumer report based on your cash flow, so you can qualify for credit and share your information more easily in the future, without logging in again. If you wish to continue, click on Confirm and Finish at the bottom of the screen. That's how you link an external bank account on Nav. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.